Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking for this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please help me to subscribe. Press that red button, okay? So in this video, watch out for my previous video how we prepare this millet. It's on my YouTube channel, okay? And the processing of millet dough is on my YouTube channel. So this is how we prepare. We want to eat it. It's very nice. This is nice food, okay? So this is my delicious soup, spinach with egusi, and we have some fish and chicken, and this is our environment. Please help me to subscribe for more video. Share so we want to eat. Follow us as we want to eat this food. Subscribe for Philip. Watch your hand. Watch. Manila. Yeah, Manila eats. Philip, yeah, or put your leg this side. There you go.
Beautiful people, thank you for joining us. So this is millet agidi. Agidi is Igbo name for calling this meal. While in Nigeria, the Yorubas, they call it eko. So it's usually made with corn, okay, maize, but we are twisting it with millet. So this is the millet agidi. So just in case if you are just joining us, the video how we prepared it is on our YouTube channel. The millet dough, how it's being prepared, is also on our YouTube channel, okay? Then we've already done a video where, watch out for the video, the one we use akara. You understand? In Ghana they call it kose. We use it to eat it. So it's very versatile. You can use it to eat different, as it pleases. So we are using it to eat this delicious spinach, egusi, and jute leaf, Abi. Yeah.
Not jute leaf. This is spinach and bitter leaf soup.
Yes, spinach and bitter leaf. Sorry.
Egusi.
Yeah. So, wow, you can see the texture. This is not like the regular millet swallow or millet fufu. No. Philip, you like it? Good.
It's delicious.
This is delicious.
Yeah.
Let me show the viewers how it looks like. Viewers, this is so beautiful. See, so beautiful. Those who are trying,
and delicious.
those who are
Beautiful and delicious.
those people who are watching their weight, this is what you need. Okay, this is for weight loss. You can eat this any time of the day, even 2 a.m. Eat it. You will not feel as if you ate anything.
You will not feel heavy.
Very light.
You will be light.
Okay. Eat. I love the color of this millet.
Eat, Philip.
Philip, it's right. Put it in your mouth. You want to eat by himself. Philip is not a big boy. He wants to be eating by himself. But yeah, eat.
My Latin life. You do it like this. You see?
Water. Philip likes this echo very well. Manuela. Yeah. Philip has dropped the akara. Don't worry, continue, eh?
If you have this millet, you can use. If you have stew, okay, you go with stew.
And it's very satisfying. Wow. Philip. Yeah, take.
Jelly.
We'll take it away. Hey. I eat to. Hey, Demon. Fish. You want fish? Take. Please like, share, subscribe.
Hey, my Alice subscribe for.
We can show viewers. Let me show viewers what we are eating.
Philip, subscribe. Philip needs Papa.
Viewers, this is our millet agidi. So this is our soup. Anola and Philip are eating.
Subscribe, oh. Subscribe.
Anola.
Press the notification bell to all.
Philip, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Philip.
Bye-bye, oh.
Anola, bye-bye. Please subscribe, oh. Mwah.